Hey family, hey everyone, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. We have another edition of Harvesting with Hubby. It's early in the morning, guys. It's late June, and here's our third harvest of our cucumber plants. And he's going in here. We have gotten a nice harvest of cucumbers. Look at that one. Look, still has a little flower on it. Got one down here. This mesh, just drape some mesh over your plants and they have been so protected. All right, here's two beautiful cucumbers. Getting that big one up here. Look at this watermelon coming in. Okay, oh, I didn't see that one. We go grow beautiful cucumbers around here. I gotta go and put this in a bowl. Hey family, we're over here too. We're harvesting our cucumbers. All right, so here's our bowl. Let's see, he's getting this other one. Guys, if y'all see my eyes look funny, I have allergies. I've had a bad week with beautiful. All right, so we got a good 4. Oh, this is just from one plant. Just think about a couple of plants. I just tried, because I've never grown cucumbers before, so I just got one plant this year, and so I like it. So we'll do more a couple more next year. Look at this jalapeno. Let me show you guys. That's the one. I've been eyeing this one for weeks. And I recommend doing this first thing in the morning. Harvesting with Hubby. Okay, so while he's looking around, look, we're getting some flowering up here for our tomatoes. These little tomatoes are coming up. These tomatoes are still ripening on the vine. Here are our more mature tomatoes right here. Right here. They're not red yet. Okay. So let's see what's going on. It's the watermelon patch and the this is the fruit patch here. Cantaloupe growing all up. We bought more of our tomato plants out. And there, see that one's little bitty. Oh, and then I didn't show you guys, here are my pumpkin plants. And I got these plastic grow bags from Amazon, and I'm going to be using a lot of these. So, you know, these are starts. This has been maybe maybe 10 days of growth. of my pumpkin seeds. So I'm gonna see how that goes. I'm gonna work on those. Let's see, we got these peppers here, these peppers here. Getting some flowering on this tomato plant. And I need to water my starts here, my lettuce starts over here. Getting some growth over here. House plants thriving. These are black seeded Simpson lettuce. So I need to water that. So yeah, so that's a quick update. These pepper plants, they'll grow for a little bit, and then the peppers are aborting. So maybe this time, this one will make it. A few of these will make it. All right, guys, well, thank you so much. And then she's still doing well. She has some tentacles that really want to grab onto something. I need to stake it up so it can grow. This is just growing. My croton's doing well. All right, guys, so thank you so much for joining me for another episode of Harvesting with Hubby.